everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Animal Crossing. It's currently like 5:46. I put all my stuff in here. Last time we played. So hold on while I get this out, and then we can check our mail. I believe I do have to toss something though. Probably have to toss like 2 things. Because I'm pretty sure we had like 3 fossils yesterday, and then a letter from the HRA, which would make it yep, I was right. Let's just get this present. Yeah, it's from the HRA. So, I guessed correctly. Amber, we might have that. Okay, well. All the fossils we got to start with today. Just a bit. Something. It's definitely something. Let me actually dig holes this time. So, MESA testing, it was boring. It was like 2 hours long. And, yeah, I have to do it tomorrow too. So, I don't know. I just don't find those long tests fun. I don't find any test fun, but I find those, like, the park-like tests, like, really boring. I remember one time, in, like, 3rd grade, when it was, like, the first time we were about to have park, they did, like, this thing, and it was, like, a video for the people who were taking part. Hold on, it's really dark. It's too bright. There we go. And so there was this one point where this one kid was like in a chair and passed out from taking part. Like, they made it seem so intense. Let's go talk to Stable. And then they had like a bunch of people rush over to him. It really wasn't that intense. Oh, Liam, very nice to see you. I'm busy as usual, but I'm sure you can see that without having me to point it out to you. Oh, no, I'm not creating anything of my own, I wish. I'm just making all the usual stuff like I'm supposed to. All of these are going to straight to Tom Nook's shop. And that's too bright. I can't ever find an answer. Now it's gonna be too dark later. The problem is, he sells them so cheap, it doesn't matter how much I work, we just don't make much money. He may seem innocent, but that Nook is one ruthless business raccoon. Tee. Oh well, that's business. Aw, sis, don't say stuff like that. You sound like you're sitting on quills when your quill's wrong or something. Seriously, I don't like it when you go off and look like that. He does pay us, really, he does. I'm just keeping all the money to myself. It's not my fault if Nook gets mad again because of your yapping about money. Aha, ha, really? That's scary. There, we talked to Sable for the day. Thanks again, you come back now. Is it too dark? That's okay. Oh, fossil. That's not a fossil. That is, in fact, the opposite of a fossil. Is it a gyroid? Sorry, I had to check my phone real quick. And alright, let's try this rock. Nope. still have my axe. Let's go check what's in the police station. Nothing new today? Yeah, nothing new today. Alright, oh well. Hold on, yeah, alright, let's go check out the museum. That seems like a good activity to do, seeing as we have fossils on us. Or weed. I can't let the weed just get away like that. You don't understand. So we have amber and I don't know how to say it. I think we have all of those. I don't know. Yeah, we have that. Also, we don't have amber. Okay. That's the one we don't have. Oh, this is Zoc. Let's just donate this amber and then sell the rest of them. Yeah. Who again, I say who, just look at this. Amber stoutly preserving the pale reminders of our past. And this is quite a large, full-bodied specimen. A what? Smooth, exquisite. I'm really in awe. Amber is a form of tree resin, which has hardened and been preserved in the Earth's crust for millions of years. Resin is produced as a defense against insects and disease. It seals wounds and allows trees time to heal. Sometimes unlucky insects get caught in the resin too. I wonder what's in your amber. A fly, perhaps a mosquito. Amber, you see, is a preservative of miraculous propensity. Bits of amber are like miniature time capsules. Sorry, can't read today, apparently. Mercy, what prattling. I must beg your pardon. I imagine you feel as though you've been captured in time. You have our deepest, most profound gratitude. Might there be anything else you wish that I know? That will be it. So let's go sell these now. I don't know, I really like that 5 p.m. song. Yeah, 5 p.m. Just making sure. Check out the... Yeah, we can keep the rainy day paper, because I also need paper for the fossils. So that looks like that, which... Actually, you know, let's keep that on. But first I want to see how it looks like in the background. Yep, no. Just put it on there. Nooks is right here. As I suspected. Wait, is that a bed? What's this shirt? We don't need no fresh shirt. So let's get rid of this dormant shirt too. We need the money. It's a bed. Kinda need a bed. Or do I just want one? How much does it cost? Ooh. Sure. I'm pretty sure I need 5 raffles for 1 entry. Which, I mean, sucks. I forgot how many raffles I have. I mean, it's only like the beginning of March. It's the 13th, so that's like a little bit in the mark. It's not the longest, so let's drop them all. There we go. Let's read these. Now let's put our bed, like, right here, I guess. No, I didn't want it like that. I wanted it like that. See, now our village room is so good. I want to sell that birch flooring. I'm not sure why I still have it. Throw this away. And wait a second. I had a fossil. Did I sell my fossil? I probably sold my fossil. Jeez, I'm stupid. I seriously sell. I'm gonna have to look through that. Oh, oh well. Just hope I find another one. Let's find some pear trees. Here's one. Gotta put my shovel away. Let's find some more. And here's a rock. Means we can get some money. If I could place the things correctly. Nope. No money right now. Maybe in a little bit. But not right now. Hold up. Are we gonna seriously? Is this the money rock? I don't know, it feels so awkward to aim the shovel in this game. Find a new leaf. I just have problems with it in this game. No. Here we go. This could be it. But it is not. Alright, can you stop walking in front of me? There's a lot of rocks down here. Not sure why. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, Copper. It's a weird name for a dog, at least I think. I don't know any dogs named Copper. I mean, my dog has a weird name. Her name is Baby. That's not a normal name, I would say, for a dog. It's not. I don't think it's a normal name for anyone. Copper's name is... Ooh. More music, let's go. I want to go to Acre B5 and plant some trees. Oh, now I'm in Acre A. Somewhere in Acre A. Why? The one rock I don't hit. I mean, the one rock I don't dig holes for is the money rock. Okay, at least I did okay that time. Ooh, and a fossil. It's never a fossil. Not today. Actually, oh, I think I know why. I don't even think I had a fossil in the first place. I think I'm just stupid. I think I actually got a gyroid. I don't think I found a fossil yet. Yeah, I'm so stupid. Let's drop these pears down for a second. Alright, made just enough room. Should get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 bells. There we go. I want to plant some trees and sell like the rest of the pears. I'm not sure how many I'm gonna do it. Sell though. I think I'm probably gonna plant tree 3 and then sell the rest. Acre B5 did. Yeah. Wait, no, was it Acre B2? I don't even remember. Hold on, let me ask him again. I'm pretty sure it was Acre B5. Oh yeah, you guys never told me what the wishing well's gender is. D2. Alright, well let's go to that acre. Which is right here. We haven't found like the special money thing yet. Just plant some trees. Yeah, they're. You don't start off with like enough fruit trees, which is annoying. But so you gotta plant them by yourself. Oh, more. No. I like saw the rock, so I tried to go back, but then I was like, I already got the money rock, so what's the point in going back? For some reason, I thought that sapling had already died. It was like, how? That's a waterfall. That's not a bridge. What's this say? Come get your daily fortune. I read palms, paws, claws, talons, trotters, and hooves. Katrina. I don't think I've had Katrina yet. Did she, like, visit your town in this one? I think she does. Because I know in City Folk, you have to, like, go to... Oh, our tree's growing. You have to go to, the city to see her, but I don't know where you would go in this game. Because there is not a city in population. I mean, I guess there's the island. That's the only place I can think of. But I don't think they would, like, limit that to the island, because you need a GameCube, no, not, a Game Boy to go to the island, I believe. Which I have, I just don't have a GameCube to Game Boy adapter. I think that's what it's called. I'm stuck between trees. Between? Right, let's go sell these then. Look. Ooh, more. How much space do I have? Put this in my hand and no, because I'm gonna sell that too. And then I'm gonna put this in there. No, I can't hit. Okay. What's in there? Oh, the thing I just put in there, of course. Now I will put it in my hand. Let's. We got enough pairs, I think. It's still little money. I don't want to use a cheat, but I might have to. I don't know. And we haven't found any fossils today. Where are all the fossils today? Let's go fishing. Maybe we should, like, I don't know. Are there any, like, special occasion? I mean, there's St. Patrick's Day, but I'm not going to be able to record for that. I don't even know if Animal Crossing recognizes, like, St. Patrick's Day as a holiday. Or I know it does in, like, New Leaf. At least I think it does. Don't quote me on that, but I don't know if it does in this game. And even if it does, I'm not going to be able to record for that. There's just no special occasions coming up. Maybe I should just play Smash on this channel for a bit. Oh, I missed it. The timing is so much more forgiving in New Leaf, I guess, because, like, I would have hit that in New Leaf. I would have caught that fish in New Leaf. Are you angry? Hey there, nice evening, don't you agree? Say, is this the first I've seen of you today, isn't it? What on earth have you been doing all the livelong day? Playing NES, little one? So tell me, Liam, what did you want, little one? What's new? Lately, I've been just craving omelets all the time. Seriously, I've been making almost every day. You probably think I'm crazy, Liam, but the taste improves every time I make them, and I love cooking. I'll make some for you sometime, little one. Would you like that? I want to catch a fish. Call me, connect your Game Boy Advance, turn it on, and come by the dock. Yep, that's what I said. Oh, you have to connect the Game Boy, but... Alright, everyone, well, that's gonna be it for this episode. We didn't do much, but we got 2 seashells. And we... Alright. Well, we didn't do much other than that. Thank you all for watching, and I'll hopefully upload tomorrow. Goodbye.